I'm Tiffany with Illinois Extension. Today, I will be preparing a savory crock-pot vegetable and lentil stew. Ingredients: 1 large onion sliced, 3 cloves garlic minced, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup carrots chopped, 2 cups kale chopped, 2 cups Swiss chard chopped, 2 cups dried lentils, 8 cups vegetable broth, reduced sodium, 1 can diced tomatoes, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Preparation: wash hands with soap and water. Gently rub vegetables under cool running water. Saute garlic and onion with oil in medium skillet until tender. Combine garlic and onion mixture with the remaining ingredients in a large slow cooker. Cook in slow cooker for 8 hours on low or 4 hours on high. Remove bay leaves and serve. If you have trouble finding chard at the store, spinach can be used as a substitute. This recipe is adapted from Crockpot Vegetable Lentil Stew, USDA. Crockpot meals are a great way to come home to dinner at the end of a busy day, and this recipe is a great one to add to your collection.
Eat, move, save.